Fishinstraya here today. I'm on beautiful Leake. Down here with the Lonnie Angling Club for the Leake round. So I've never fished this lake and just going to come here, just give it a crack. Me and Colby's coming later on tonight. We're going to enter into the Lonnie Angling Club Saturday tournament. So see if we can't catch a good fish or two. But yeah, just going to come around tonight. I got about 2 hours if I'm lucky, just to find some decent spots, and then attack it tomorrow and hopefully come out and catch a big donkey away in. So I'll leave you to it. I'll see you guys when I'm on. G'day guys, Fishinstraya here. This video is proudly sponsored by Tamar Marine Launceston. Tamar Marine Launceston have a huge range of fishing gear, boating needs and everything you need to get out and back on the water safely. So when you're in Launceston next, come into Tamar Marine Launceston and buy something from them so they can continue to support me to make videos like this one. Hope you guys enjoy this Fishinstraya video and I'll see you guys at the end. What the hell? A huge fish just bursted in front of me. Like it must have seen me. It was like actually a wolf. Like it must have been sitting right on the surface. And I'm guessing it saw me. Because it's not having a crack at anything. Just maybe she's so aggressive. No. But yeah, I've sort of, like I said, I've never fished this lake before, but I've been seeing a fair bit of movement up on here. I haven't actually caught a fish yet, but I have fished for like 20 minutes. Plus that's looking very mean, so I might make a run for cover soon. I'm pretty happy with starting here tomorrow morning. Like I haven't caught a fish, like I said, but I've seen fish moving, and the fish that I've seen moving, they've been like solid. So yeah, I'll keep at it for a couple more minutes and then might make a move because I want to get drenched. The rainbow, I think. I don't think it's a bad fish. Hey? I don't think it's a bad fish. I think it's a good fish. Hey! Rainbow? I don't know. Nah, brown. Good brownie. Good brownie. Hold up. I'll come. I'm coming. It's giving a crack for a brownie. So we're literally just fishing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thought it was a little bit bigger. We just fishing right in this bay that the campsite is, because the boat's sort of filled with water, so we're just bilging her out and just flicking the golden trout, and we've produced beautiful little, I'm trying to hold him, beautiful little Lake brownie. So with the Lonnie Angling Club, it's a weigh-in comp, Gunner and Guild, so gonna keep this one. So yeah, how good that going trout, Fishinstraya, I mean, completely gone. Yo. Good fish, Maya. Oh, not that good, but it's better than any fish you've caught this morning. Boom! Oh. Note to kids, always use the net. I'm driving away, that's why it's not coming in. I was driving away, that's why it's not coming in.
I might head in for a feed.
Right, valuable lesson learnt there. Don't boat flip your fish.
On the pink.
Rainbow on the pink. How good. How good.
That's the fish there.
What is up with this weather? Nah, this is actually horrible. This is horrible. Oh, what else would you rather do? I can tell you what, if she was on the Lonnie Angling Club weekend, I wouldn't be fishing. Not here anyway. This is horrible. Well guys, how's that for a bit of rain? I'm alright, I'm in waders and I got a raincoat. So I'm alright, but Colby's not. So we're going to make a quick run back in to get Colby a raincoat. So I'm about to get rain hit me while driving the boat. That's not going to be fun. Oh, well, so we've got 3 fish. Questionable 3 fish, but
no.
It's 3 fish. Look, if I wanted to catch him, I would have used the net. It was a tactical release. So yeah, we're gonna go back to the other side just because someone forgot their raincoat. Looks like a drag, looks like a drag. How have you done that? Oh, no. How good! Told you, we knew there had to be something in there. How good is that? Yeah. Woo! With this crap weather, hardly anyone's out, but there is some cracking fish to be caught. Like the wind's ripping straight down. There had to be something here. All the bait's getting pushed up. You can see all the waves. How good is that?
So the wind was just terrible, that's why you can't hear me. But yeah, it was on one of the larger Fishinstraya minnows I'm currently trying out.
How big's she gonna go?
That's why the lure was covered, but cracking fish.
1.45 kilo. Happy with that. That biggest so far?
Obviously everyone's been following it, reading it, and it's an unbelievable turnout, so fantastic. A lot of things can't jam. Tamar Marine voucher, $100, donated by Dane White. Hawk Sniper Pack, donated by Matt's here himself, so it's great to see the sponsors here. Gun Sales and Service, $50 voucher, donated by Adrian Parker. So, biggest fish of the day, Kobe Chilcott, 1.45 kilos.
You've got a choice of the three of them. Which one?
As you come up, we're just Stacey's doing photography, so if Kobe doesn't mind, if you can just say what he caught on and a little bit of a story or something.
Yeah, so caught that one on a Fishinstraya lure. My bad. Caught that one on a Fishinstraya lure just at the other end of the lake, just where the wind was pushing, and found him hard against the shore. Yep.
God, I'm a good guide.
Shane knew Moz pretty well and put us on the Moz. Talked to a fella he'd never met before, and a lot of it was online and that, and all he wanted to do was support clubs, and he supported fishing clubs, go-karts, racing, all sorts of stuff. Was one of the most humble and genuine people you'd ever meet in your life. Give you the shirt off his back. Probably would have been a pretty wealthy man if it wasn't for the amount of money that he poured into the clubs like ours, doing the things that he did. And it's sort of, I've stumbled a bit here because it's hard to talk with about Moz, and everyone that knew him sort of knew what a great bloke he was. But Moz unfortunately passed away a bit over 12 months ago now. Left a big hole in the state, and he left a big pair of shoes behind that no one's ever going to fill. So the club thought it'd be fitting to have a memorial for him. So this trip every year, the September trip, is the Moz Memorial Shield. We made a trophy up for it, and I was pretty fortunate, lucky, and in the right place at the right time to win it last year. So probably my proudest achievement to get my name on this shield. The other ones don't really matter that much to me now. So fortunate that I managed to bang it, and we've got a new winner this year.
Kobe Chilcott.
Colby.
Well done, Kobe.
Well done, mate.
Well done, mate.
Awesome job, mate. That's the one you want your name on, as far as I'm concerned.
Can you get it out of the shadow?
Point it towards the camera.
Can you put Dylan in the background, stop crying?
Well, I forgot to film an outro, but pretty much that was it for the day. We ended up coming home after that because we got drenched the night before. But yeah, a wicked weekend away with the Lonnie Angling Club, as they always are. I just want to thank everyone for the support and all that. And if you guys are thinking about going to the next Lonnie Angling Club weekend, you should go because I'll be there. But anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.